Hi friends, welcome to Easy and Home Style Cooking. I'm Mrs. Ragini. Today I'm going to share a snack recipe for all of you. And now it's rainy season, you all might be craving to have snacks in the evening time. So this is a very simple snack with chickpeas. We are going to make croquettes. So let's start how to make this. Very simple guys. Whenever you soak chickpeas, just soak little bit extra and remove it, or otherwise when you boil also you can just boil the chickpeas and just keep little bit aside and you can make an excellent snack. Just make it after 2 to 3 days, no problem. You can store it in the refrigerator, bring it out and make an excellent snack. Now we are going to dry roast some ingredients first. Some fennel seeds, you can take all half a teaspoon, some peppercorns, cumin seeds, and these we are going to dry roast it and we are going to make a powder and add it to our chickpeas and make an excellent croquettes. So friends, here you can see these are slightly dry roasted and we are going to switch off the flame. Just transfer this into a blender. If you have a ding chick, then just crush it and add it. I am going to make a powder out of this now. So friends, here you can see I have blended this into a nice, not too fine powder, it's little bit coarse. That's why I said you can use a ding chick also. And now in this we are going to add the chickpeas. If your chickpeas are little bit soft, then you can mash it with your hands itself. But today I boiled the chickpeas till it is slightly cooked. You can see this is not too soft. I need a masher or I need a blender to mash this. So I am just using a blender. So friends, here you can see our chickpeas mixture is also ready. I have blended this and we are going to transfer this into a bowl. Dear friends, with chickpeas we can make lot of snacks and lot of dishes. Not only our chole masala, but we can make n varieties. Just transfer, and we did not add salt. So I am going to add salt. If you are boiling your chickpeas with salt, so be careful. And in this we are going to add some fresh mint. If you have mint, you can add mint or otherwise coriander also, just for that flavor. And this is Anardhana powder, that is dry pomegranate powder. If you have amchur powder also, you can add that. This is only for flavoring. And mix this. This is binding. We need this to bind so that we can make our chickpeas cheese croquettes. So here you can see it's binding, so no problem. If you want, you can add very little of chickpea flour if you want, otherwise you can skip also, but I am going to add very little, half a teaspoon, and mix this. And for stuffing, here I have the grated paneer and here I have cheese pieces. This is the processed cheese, and for some spiciness I am going to add some green chillies. So these are the stuffings into our chickpeas mixture. So what we are going to do is take a plate, and this is ready. We are going to keep this aside. You can just check the mixture if you want salt or anything, and this is ready. And now to this paneer, grated paneer, we are going to add green chillies and very little of salt, not too much, and we are going to mix this also. This we are going to make a small ball, and into this we are going to stuff our cheese and we are going to make a ball out of this again. Total one is cheese first and then the paneer, and on the top of paneer we are going to coat our chickpeas mixture. So here is the chickpeas, just take it little bit, put it in the center and cover this. So friends, here you can see I have made couple of them. Just stuff first your cheese, then your paneer and then your chickpeas mixture, and we are going to deep fry this. If you want, you can shallow fry this also, but today I am going to deep fry. If you are deep frying, what you can do is take some corn flour mixture. If you want, you can put some water and you can make a slurry out of this, but what you can do is just dip your hands in water and once final touch, you just wet it little bit and shape it and then roll it in your corn flour mixture very lightly, and you can remove the excess and keep this aside. One more, very lightly. This won't break and you will get an excellent croquettes. So this is ready. and here the oil is also ready. I am going to put it in the oil and we are going to deep fry this. One more, I am going to put rest of them and I am going to deep fry this till we get a nice golden color. Dear friends, dusting the corn flour is only an optional because you know this mixture was dry, and in case this may break, so corn flour makes its binding. You can see this, it's perfectly cooked and it's nice and golden color. See, slight crack, but it's not come out, and your oil is also nice and perfect, it's neat. These have come perfect. This is all ready to serve. See, just slightly dust it, don't dust too much of corn flour, just see like this, like egg shape. And now we are going to cut this. See, wow, very nice and soft inside and crispy outside, and the cheese has slightly melted, it's not melted too much. First the cheese and then the paneer and then our chickpea mixture to make an excellent snack for your kitty parties, for your regular parties and for special parties. You can give with some green chutney, meaty chutney, or even with tomato ketchup, and I have showed you couple of chutneys you can have along with that also, but make it hot and serve it hot. This is literally melting. Dear friends, you need to try this. This is superb and excellent dish. I hope you enjoyed this simple chickpeas and cheese croquettes. If you like it, make it and also share it with your friends so that everybody can have fresh food.